Hi everyone, in this video we're going to go over different prompts so you can see how Adobe Firefly actually generate visuals for specific prompts. And this is actually one of my favorite features. These are text effects. Keep in mind this is in beta, all right, so it's not final product. And as you can see, the prompts are beautiful. Now there are things that I like, the things that I don't like, and I'm going to share some of them with you while you actually watch the prompts. You can see the prompts at the bottom. Now, basically, if you look at the right side, you can see there are different options for the text effect fit. So you can go with loose, you can go with medium, you can go with tight. Now, if you choose tight, the visuals will be tightly inside the text. Whether if you choose medium, you're going to be a bit loose. And if you choose loose, it's going to give more freedom for the AI to generate the visuals by extending outside of the text itself. Now, that's fine and that's great, and for some of them it actually works really well. I can also change the font color as well, which will regenerate the results again. Background, it doesn't matter, you can just change the background at any time, and you can choose different variation options. At the bottom you can see, and I can actually choose, I can see a preview, you see different Fs, so I can just choose one that just like better. Now the problem that I had when I wanted to create, for example, the letters as the island and the surrounding as background element. For example, if there's an island, the surrounding will be let's say an ocean, right? And I wanted trees on the letters viewed from the top. I can't really do that, and this is something of course I can go to Photoshop, get a background of an ocean and just create something like sand and maybe and with trees, and then put it inside. But even then, directional prompt option is important, because again, sometimes I just want to generate things where it's specific way, like I explained with the islands and the ocean, and I wasn't able to. So if I describe something like that, everything will just fit into it inside both the island and the ocean. And basically I want a greater degree of control what actually in the letters and what I want outside. At this time, of course, you don't have the option for the background, just changing the colors. And if you want to create something like that, you need to do it in Photoshop. But basically, if I had something like that, it would be amazing, because sometimes I also want the background, not just the text, to fit into, for example, a banner or any artwork. It goes hand in hand, and if I'm able to get it, it would be something amazing. I can create everything with Firefly. And of course, it'd be more seamless if I can do it inside Firefly. The fact that I can actually get it with transparent background is great, because again, I'll be able to easily have this complexity of visuals easily embedded on top of another layer, without actually needing to mask everything, and especially a complex visual like that, and even more if you are going with the loose visuals. But for many other prompts, it's actually worked very well, and I really like the results. It's just for some, when I wanted to do something else, I just seen that my creativity is limited, and basically I wanted to create something special. And usually when I do use text, I want something that kind of blend in with another background, but sometimes I just want the text and that's about it. And if that's what you want, well, Firefly can do that very, very well. You can also see that with the medium, you can see how some of the visuals are actually extending with the Y. You can see it's just beautiful. I mean, the Y is more bulky, but when I use that, it's actually just extended it without actually filling the entire font. This is, for example, the island that I mentioned. I wasn't able to do it. This is beautiful, grungy metal. Looks stunning, as you can see, with the transparency, of course. So not everything is going to be opaque. Here you can see also not everything is opaque. So with some of the visual elements, you can see that. For example, with the pipes, you can see that some of the font is actually transparent and the pipe is just going over it. For example, here with the sand, I changed the color background. This is the far as I can go with the background. But you can see that even little change with the color, you can really make it fit in. But if I use it right now, of course, I need to bring it to Photoshop and choose the background myself. I mean, something more than just background color. Here you can see the loose option. Generate a few things with the, again, not everything was actually what I wanted. For some result, depends on the prompt, it's going to be better than the others. depending on what you want to achieve. I try also with more complex prompt, giving more details. I think it did pretty good job, although gave weight to the first part of the prompt. Keep in mind this is all speed up. It generated slower. This is just me speeding things up. This is not the actual speed that you generate. But I won't let you wait, you know. For example, here I wanted sushi. This was actually really nice. Look really, really tasty. Look at that, all the cream. That was amazing. Here I tried pizza. Again, it just felt like images inside the pizza rather than what I wanted. The Y actually looked good. So again, more gradual control would be nice. Here I actually wanted the AL look really nice with the web, transparent with the web. The others I didn't like. But again, it's still in beta, and I'm sure results will be continue to improve. Here you're gonna see another good example with the Japanese houses. I wrote just Japan, really, I got that. Obviously, Japanese characters. Alright, and then this is actually turned to be amazing. Look at that. Japanese house, but I changed to loose, and now look what happened. It's beautiful. Look at how the L actually looks with the house that extending out. It's amazing. So we need to know which type to choose, which text effect fit to choose, in order to make your result really beautiful, inspiring, just nice to look at. Yeah, so overall, I hope you enjoyed this little demonstration. Again, looks very, very promising, and well, can't wait to try it more with more unique prompts. If you wanted to try anything, let me know in the comment section below. I hope you enjoy these little examples, and I see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.